Hi everyone, my name is Angela Macias and this is my presentation for my Jungle Dance Lesson Plan, which is a cross integration between science and visual and performing arts, visit if you will. So I'm going to start by having all the students line up as if they were line dancing, so in kind of a line. That way they're all spread out, and I would have them start with a stretch, typical breathe in, breathe out, touch towards the sky, down to our toes, big stretch right, big stretch left. Once they're all stretched out, I'm going to go ahead and go over the different types of animals that would live in the jungle and demonstrate some of the moves that I expect to see from them when I call on them to perform that move. So let's start with the demonstration. The first one would be something like this. Excuse me for my terrible movements, but this would be a snake, something like this. And then once that student has come up and performed, I'm going to give all of the students a chance to raise their hand and try to guess what animal that is. So it's more of a charades game, but the students are a little more interactive because they're all doing the dance move at the same time. Another example would be a chameleon. So something kind of slow, moving like this. And then another step. I'm also playing jungle music in the background. This is something that I would have as well to get them a little bit more involved and excited about this. Another dance move maybe like the monkey, where we kind of walk around and go in circles, something like that. So then again, the kids would have a chance to raise their hand and guess what the dance move is. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Angela Macias, and this is my jungle dance integration lesson plan. Thank you.